Here's how you can make this smooth 3D text animation in just 4 minutes. First, let's animate our text. Select the text tool and type anything you want. Position the text in the center using the align tool. I will use different font and I will use white color. Now to animate, go to text properties, animate, position, add property opacity and add property blur. You can experiment with different values, but I will use my preferred ones, which is blur 11, position 25 and opacity off. Now go down to advanced and set the shape to ramp up and smoothen it out. I like to use something like these values, 55 and 25. Now you should animate the offset from -100 to 100%. Now I will duplicate this text layer and create the second text, and I will use different text, different font and different color. I recommend you pre-composing both texts. Don't forget to use this move all attributes to a new composition. And the second one as well. Now make them both 3D. Now we have our text animation done. We will now move on to the camera. So create new camera. I suggest you using one-node camera because it's much easier to work with. And for the first animation, I will position the camera in the center of the first word, and I will zoom it in so the first text appears very big at the start. Now go to the start, keyframe, go about here and zoom out. Now we will add second motion, and we will do that with creating a new null object. Center the anchor point and turn it into 3D layer. I will make null object and camera both yellow. Take camera and parent link it to the null object. We can animate the null object's position and the camera will follow it. So we will make two motions at once. And the null object will make a smooth animation to the center of the second text, and it will zoom out as well. Now we have to smoothen it out. So press F9. What we need to do is to adjust the speed so that it looks good. Now we'll add deep glow to the both texts. This is optional. And I want to make animation a bit more in depth, so what we will do is take the second text and move it much closer to the camera. And then I will animate it even more. So you can see the in-depth when the second text is appearing, it looks very big, and then the camera zooms out. And for the detail, I will add a solid at the bottom and add a gradient ramp effect to it. And I will make bottom color very dark red. So that's it. If you like these kinds of brief tutorials, follow me. I post a lot of good stuff here.